It's already 10:07 and tonight, I guess I'm pulling an all-nighter kasi today is Saturday and on Tuesday, right after we return from the election break is that we have a moving practical exam on biochem, and it is about the lab equipment and apparatus. So that's currently what I'm doing. I'm listing their uses then. And then yun, I need to study then for art appreciation because we have quiz for 2 lessons on Wednesday. And then, I don't know what, and then, meron pa pala, the same day on our moving exam, which is on Tuesday afternoon for our systematics, is maybe we're having our laboratory. And then the next week is we will have our finals week, and we have to practice pa siguro next week with our PATFIT. Yeah. So these are the things that I need to do, and meron yung mga deadline, which is kailangan kong pag-asyahin within 2 days that I am here, especially yung this one, which is our project for art app. No! Hi guys, so back to work. So I just finished extracting the oreganos, yung water niya, ganun. So since I'm done with that, I'm going to check my groupmates part na sinend sa kanila gabi, but hindi ko yun lahat. But anyways, ang aga ko nagising and I feel so productive today. Though hindi pa ako nakaligo kasi hindi ko babet. Good job to me. So basically, what happened, it's 100% AI, and I seriously don't know how to say it to her. Ang sad. Hi guys, so it's already 4:19 and nakatapos ko lang maligo. So the whole day wala akong ginawa, hindi rin ako napag-study ng biochem, pero ayun. Bet ko kasi talaga minsan yung mga natakram. Charis. Anyways, tomorrow is election day. If you're already a voter, I hope you won't waste your time waiting in the line just to vote a corrupt and walang kwentang tumatakbo. Okay? Please. Facts. So guys, update. Wala pa rin nangyayari. Kasi naisip ko mamaya ko siya gagawin kasi fear ko I'm gonna be more productive later. Yun. By the way, I made some some iced coffee for me to drink kasi yun nga, I need to study later. Hi guys, so it's already Monday, so today is Monday, and yun, I am back for studying. So tomorrow is we have our moving exam, hopefully wala muna kasi mayroong program. Anyways, yun nga, since I'm not really sure about that, so still I need to study, and yun. Hindi ako napag-vlog kayo ng maga because we went out kasi I need to vote the right person. Yung hindi artista, yung hindi corrupt, at hindi rapist. So, yun nga. Yes, full on all-nighter.
Ma'am Karen, yun po kasi sa biro, machine lang po yun sa kanila. Machine base sa biro.
So guys, I'm still not studying. So currently, I'm watching the live na senatorial race and yun, Kiko and Bam went on a top 5. Wala na bang bago? Ganito na lang palagi. Nakawan na lang ba tayo dito? Studying, and this is the view kasi sobrang init sa labas. I had my coffee and the biscuit. So, ang ingay. Nasa labas ako kasi sobrang init sa loob ng room namin. So, I'm in a 20-minute study session. So, I have 11 minutes left and I have 5-minute break.